Hello, students. Have you ever been stuck for an idea about what to write about? I'm going to show you how to get ideas from a photograph. We will use this photograph as an example. There are many ways you can use this video. You can pause after each slide and write for as long as you like, or you can pause after each slide and set a timer for 2 minutes of writing, or you can watch the whole video and then write as much as you can. Let's get started. We will learn how to write a paragraph about this picture. First of all, let's think. Who's in this picture? What's his name? Where is he from? Think about all the details that you can tell about this person. Of course, you are going to use your imagination. Or maybe this person reminds you of somebody you know. You get to decide because it's your work. The next thing we can think about is, where is this person standing? What's under him? What's around him? What's in front of him? Where do you think he is? You can use your imagination to write your ideas, or maybe it reminds you of a place that you have been. We want to now think about, what is this person looking at? What does he see in front of him? The next question we might ask ourselves is, why is this person standing alone? Where are the other people? Is there anyone around him? Or is he just all alone, and why? We can also think about where he might go after this. What other details can you add about this picture? I hope this gets you started thinking about using photographs for ideas when you are stuck and just don't know what to write about. Please like and subscribe my videos for more interesting and fun activities that you can do today.